This is question 15 of civil engineering paper of GATE 2019 afternoon session. An earthen dam of height h is made of cohesive soil whose cohesion and unit weight are C and gamma respectively. If the factor of safety against cohesion is Fc, the Taylor's stability number Sn is. This question is from the topic of analysis of slopes. You may watch lecture 58, slope stability, soil mechanics geotechnical engineering 1 by Professor Dilip Kumar Vaid, IIT Kharagpur, to learn about the stability of slope and the analysis of infinite and finite slopes. Now, we know the main cause of instability of slope is the weight of the slope, that is gravity force, and the stability of slope is provided by the cohesive forces between the soils. So we can say that the maximum height of a slope is directly proportional to the cohesion and inversely proportional to gamma. Also, this maximum height of slope is related to the value of internal friction of soil and the angle of slope with horizontal. So we can say Hc is equal to C by gamma and function of phi and beta. Here this function, phi and beta is a dimensionless function. Taylor expressed this as a reciprocal of a dimensionless number called a stability number, that is this Sn is equal to 1 by function of phi and beta. So we can say this Hc is equal to C by gamma into Sn. Further, this equation can be written as Sn is equal to C by gamma Hc. Further, Hc can be written as factor of safety Fc into height h. So we can say the formula of a stability number Sn is equal to C by gamma into Fc into h. So here in this question, the option D, option C, you can see C by Fc gamma h is in option C. So option C is the correct answer for this question. Thank you.